said, bro. Ranch is the devil's mayonnaise, bro, and I stand by that statement. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Peluquero Rick with my boy Rodrigo. You know who
back again.
So we got a Pomade review for you guys, and without further ado, let's get started.
So today, players, we'll be reviewing Slick Devil Pomade's medium hold. It's going to come in a 4-ounce container. Rather simple, guys. This will be one of the most simple designs, as you can see. Not much on it, just the ingredients, the logo. Let's go and open up this bad boy. Opening up this bad boy, you're going to see it's going to come the same color as the can itself. It's going to have vanilla tobacco scent. Fire.
Alright, players. On this review, I want a little bit more volume on my hair, so we're going to go ahead and blow dry. But with that, we're going to get some help from my boy Rodrigo, the one and only. Without further ado, let's get started.
Alright, guys. First things first. If you guys are going to blow dry your client, make sure you guys always drape them. Don't be sucios. Make sure you use a Sanic strip. Put the cape on. Make sure you put it on tight. Put the Sanic strip back over it. And you got no hair going through. You ready, boy. Alright, go ahead and dampen the hair up. Make sure you wet it thoroughly. Get all that moisture in there. I have very thick, wavy hair, so that's why my boy's throwing some extra water on me. A little towel to soak up any runoff water. And he sets it on my shoulders right there. That way if anything does fall off, he can just simply bam, right there. As you can see, a little bit more water. My hair is very thick. He's going to pick up Thor's hammer, a.k.a. his Dyson. It's a very cool blow dryer. As you can see, it has a hole in the middle. But boy, does it put in the work. As you can see, he's just going straight back with the Denman and with the blow dryer. When it comes to the hair on top, he's kind of curling it inwards and pulling up. In doing so, as you can see right there, he's not only applying lift, and he's also giving me that little pump look at the top. So as you can see, look carefully. Just gliding through on the sides. When it comes to the top, he's fully extending it and blow drying upwards. Watch. Right here, you guys. Straight upwards and curving in. And that's how you get a pump, players. Bam. As you guys can see, you really want to focus on the front primarily. The front's what really makes it. So you really want to pull up and tuck in. Pull up and tuck in. Once that's done, you can go ahead and focus on what's behind the pump. Right there, he's just taking care of the back, making sure the back's nice and dry. Go ahead and check it out, guys. As you can see, it's already pretty much there. But because I have very thick hair, you want to make sure you get every single hair. You want to make sure that the whole head is dry. No one likes to have the top dry, but the roots all wet. That ain't the look, player. And your pomade's not going to hold. If you really want your pomade to hold at its best, you want to apply it dry. So that's what we're doing right here, guys. As you can see, it's pretty much already done. Pumping it up. I already feel like $1,000,000. I haven't even looked at myself in the mirror yet. Check that out, guys. If you really wanted to, you could even just leave the pump like that. Rock a dry look. And there's nothing wrong with that. Every now and then, I like to do that. But my hair's like a fro. So, as you can tell, that's why I like to slick it back. So right here, guys, he just gave me that more lift in the front. Thoroughly drying it. That way there's no wet spots. And as you can see, my pump is already pretty much there. Make sure he gets the back, lays it all down. Once the hair lays down nice and neat, you can go ahead and put the towel away. One final comb through. The hair's already dry. At this point, if you start to comb it through it, it's going to hold as if you had pomade in it. Just because your hair was once wet and now it's dry, bam. Check it out, guys. Now let's go ahead and apply the pomade. First things first, let's scoop this bad boy out. As you can see, my boy Rodrigo's helping me out with that. One scoop. It's rather on the firm side. Breaking it down, it breaks down pretty creamy. It's really sticky, though, I will tell you that. So right here, we're just gently coating the top of the pump. Nothing too fancy here. Just coating the top since we already blow dried it. We already have our shape. A little bit more pomade since your boy has very thick hair and this is a medium hold. But one thing I did notice right away is the application. It's rather firm for a medium hold. I'm feeling it right here, guys. But I see the shine. Once you apply it, it looks like it's very shiny. Once you start to break it down, you'll see where the matte comes from. Look at my boy. He ain't no sucio, and we ain't no sucios, guys. So make sure you guys always dry your hands and clean your hands after using some pomade before you pick up your Denman. All right, guys. There we go. The sides first. Make sure they're going straight back and then down. Straight back and then down. The crown area, you see he's attacking that first. He starts from the top of my head all the way down. That way there's no flyaways. I don't got that mohawk look. We ain't going for that, player. Go ahead and get this side. Make sure it's nice and thoroughly patted down. Comb straight down. Now this is up to you guys. This is just personal. If you guys want a high pump, this is where it comes into play. You go ahead and use your Denman and see what he's doing. If you want a higher pump, you pull higher. If you want a shorter pump, don't go so high. You'll see what I mean right now when it comes to it. And right here, he's picking up the comb to add some comb marks. Give it that finished detailed look. Patting it down with his hand, using his hand as a tool. That's what I like to do too. Follow with the comb, then pat it down with your hands. Follow with the comb, and pat it down with your hands. Sometimes, guys, when you pass through with the comb, you'll have 1 or 2 flyaways. But if you follow through with your hand and pat them down, they stick right down. Right here, my boy's trying to give me a traditional ducktail. Some call it a duck's ass. But as you can see, all you really do, guys, you tuck in all your hair from the top. Then you get your side hairs. All the hairs from the side, you pull them inwards like what he's doing right there. And on that side too. And it gives the effect that you got like a duck's ass on the back of your head. Real cool, real traditional. Back to the pump, making sure it's okay. Without further ado, let's check out the finished product, guys. Right off the bat, I'm liking what I'm looking. He didn't even have to show me the mirror. I already knew I was looking good. Alright, guys, let's check it out. Alright, guys, so first things first, check out the hold on this pomade. Look at that high pump. Nice medium hold, more on the matte shine, not a hair out of place. Nice design, like it.
Alright guys, so the final review on Slick Devil Pomade's medium hold. First impressions, guys, it's going to scoop out like a hard hold, it's going to apply like a hard hold. But the finished product is definitely a medium hold. As you guys can see, I have my waves, I have more of that natural look. I have very thick wavy hair, so all you players out there with very thick wavy hair, keep that in mind. Alright guys, so I definitely recommend this for the players out there with straight hair. You know who you are, players. This is for you. And if you guys really like a more of a matte look, don't really like that high shine, I definitely recommend it for you. This is for you. I really like the hold, the shine. It's something different. It's very nice to try a medium every now and then. With that being said, guys, I think I'm going to have to give this bad boy 4 out of 5 combs. You see that. And with that being said, guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Special thanks to my boy Rodrigo for all the help. He's the man with the plan. You know. Alright, guys. Don't be sucios. Pull up during the week at Custom Cuts Temecula. You know where we at, players. Until next time, guys.
Alright, players. Thanks for tuning in. This was extra fun filming this one for you guys. I'm glad you guys are checking out the content and digging it. Until next time, make sure you guys follow your boy, Peluquero Rick. Make sure you follow my boy, Rodrigo. And pull up to Custom Cuts and get you a cup, boy. Don't be a sucio. Until next time, guys.